riding in the rain. Ah. muddy. It's muddy that way. The farther you go that way, the muddier it gets. Yeah. Shoot. Don't go down there. Shit. See, my glasses fog up and my goggles. Oops. Yeah. It's really not bad. No, it's not. As long as you stay out of the muddy shit. If it wasn't for all the cream they used freaking slapping water all over you. What the hell did you guys go? I was looking all over getting lost. Yeah, we were too, looking for you. I went down to this bowl for a long time. Went loopy-loopies. Oh, yeah. I can't see because my goggles, my glasses keep fogging over. My shit's all fogging over too. I got them cheap ones and they're all fogging over bad. Mine are fogging over, I just got freaking water all over them. Yeah. So if you got a towel to spare, why don't you share it? A whole full of water. Yeah, this really ain't bad at all. No, that's what I was hoping for. It's like, even if it's fucking raining, this stuff is rideable, you know? Yeah. Even some of the rocks and stuff, they're not so wet. That water hole is kind of deep. Oh, yeah. I about freaking killed it in the middle of it. I had to put my foot down and then I got water in my boot, I think. Freaking nuts. Well, the first time I went through it, I went clear over on the right side, and it's not deep there. But apparently in the middle it is. I was like, them crazy buckers. I'm like, I don't know, is that deep or not? I just waited. The first time we went through it, I was like... You blasted through it. Yeah, I waited, and then I went through it. I was like, fuck it. Either I'm going to drown it or I'm not. Wow! I fucking blew right through it. But it got me soaking wet. I don't know, I found a few cedar branches that were pretty stiff in the trail, but Oh, if you have that one really wet.
Yeah. Yeah, so we need leaves and crap are slapping your goggles and it's like, boosh.
Well, in that race they did a lot of this outline. You guys run that one right next to the lake, right? Where like the water's like right there. If you hit a fucking rock, it's gonna go in the water.
I don't know if we got that close to it or not.
Yeah, it's right down over here. There's a lot of trails. They're all rocky. Nothing's really that bad.
Nothing you're gonna sink in.
For that race, yeah, some of it's underwater.
Yeah.
Some of it's not.
Yeah, there was that big cove thing down over there. That's probably underwater.
Oh, it's just underwater, yeah. There's a pocket up here by the gatehouse thing. Right over here, where we at. That's how I'm getting turned around. I'm like, where the fuck am I at? I'm trying to figure it all out.
Yeah. There's one place. Where the hell was that right up there? Don't go over there yet.
Yeah, the drop off.
Big drop.
It's a long ways down.
Mm-hmm. Good ride.
Yep.
Well, we can either kind of make a loop somehow or somewhere, or else we can just kind of free ride. But all this stuff up here doesn't seem terrible.
No, it's not too bad. I mean,
it's a little sandy, but there's a couple of the big wash deals down here that you can, you know, carve really hard.
uh-huh.
Pumpkin carving.
That was awesome. I'm over here. What? Yes, I did. And I got water in it. What?
You are too far away.
No. I was trying to come around the outside edge of that thing.
That looks like a deep hole.
It kind of is.
You have to stand up on end or what do you think?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm trying to set the fuck away from the deep holes.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to go around the... I thought you went this way, and I'm like, how the hell did you get across that? I was just trying to stay around the outside edge, but there's a rut in there, and it... Later over.
My bike is fluttering and running like shit.
I could have drove down the fucking swamp thing down there. I'll take her a few times.
It turns over now.
Wouldn't?
And the water. Take a while to get that plug cleaned out.
Man, you smell funny too.
I have to put a new fucking plug in.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah. You got one.
I've got some in my bag too. So I'm pretty sure that fucker's wet.
I imagine so.
Jeez, I don't have a kickstand.
Me neither.
You gotta take one off my old bike.
Yeah, there you go.
You got any food back over there?
Not in here. Tell you what, running through those trees is like trying to ride with.
Those fucking ridiculous wet fucking trees.
Yeah.
All that sloppy ass mud with a wet rock on top.
Like riding with impaired vision.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, I got a centipede on me. Picking worms.
Oh, you got some chewing tobacco. That's what we're saying. You gotta know.
Bob doesn't have any?
I got some in my shorts. My shorts are in the van.
Yeah, mine too.
Well, I got mint if you want
I need some mint. I have mint.
But I'm not putting it in your mouth, so.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll use my own fingers. You been re-chewing lately? Because that'd be better.
Yeah, I always do, yeah.
I do it for dinner and just put it back in there. That's nasty.
Nope, got the tilt. There's a mint. I'll put it in there for you. Open up.
This is pretty fun. If it was about 20 degrees cooler, it'd be a lot better, I think.
It's awfully muggy. There's no doubt about that. Trying to find this outside run. You get up top, follow me. I'll get around the outside there. And there's a pretty good rock path in there. I think you guys can make it loop and come back around too.
Yeah.
You getting that thing, baby?
I'm getting this turd freaking running again.
Oh, we get that running. No problem. What do you got there?
Shitty wrench.
Oh man, you want a stubby wrench? I just got a stubby wrench.
That would work a lot better.
Yeah. Here, get out of my backpack.
Oh, hold on. I got it. I got it. But I'll need, yeah, it'd probably work better.
It'd be a lot easier to go back in.
The big pocket or...
Top one. Little pocket there.
Oh.
Oh, there's some water. Yep, a whole bunch. Lots of water.
Do you want to drain your carburetor?
Oh, I didn't get in the carburetor.
I mean, just get stuck in the air box. There's a lot of fucking water in there. There's still a lot of water. Shit. The air box has got some cooled up or anything.
Hey, you should clean your airbox out. Looks like a...
They got mud in it now?
kind of little stick.
They're on my boot. Oh, buddy.
There we go. It's like in the summertime when the minivan comes in and they're like,
I hope it's wet and it smells funny. Why can't the water keeps coming into my engine? You made me get them in your air box. Yeah. I did this at Randolph one time.
I remember
I think it was worse though, wasn't it? Did you go all the way under?
No. No, it wasn't all the way under, but water was about... When it was laid over, the water was about right here.
Hit that fucker a few times.
Did you put your new reeds in?
No, hadn't enough time.
Yeah, make it everything on my foot. The water.
I haven't seen it come out yet.
You put a little gas in there or something, or what do you do? If I can put a new plug in it.
Oh, shit. Problem is, my fucking plug is probably wet too. You wanna try it?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what else to do.
Good thing you're getting a good video of this.
Yeah.
Good story.
If I go pop, hang, boom, boom, and it stop running, we'll have to ride piggyback on the way back. And there's no way to get a truck out of here.
No. Toe strap.
Toe strap. You're gonna push it out of the lake, look at the boat. Gotta pee. Get the bike.
Want to land on your $600 helmet?
Yeah, no shit. That's a $600 helmet right there.
Yeah, that's
Bring it out or not?
What's that?
No, you're all bent over.
Look, bring it out. A little pocket.
Oh, yeah. They have those. They got some camelbacks that are like these at Menards for like $24. Oh, really?
Backpacks, yeah.
Are they really good though? Or are they shitty?
I don't know. I never looked at them. I saw it in their ads one time.
It's like Inspire or something like that. A really, really awesome one.
Probably.
I did buy one on a garage sale. It's a military one. That fucker's awesome.
I've got one of those, but I got one brand new.
Yeah, this one hasn't been used. It's just fucking peachy.
I bought it off eBay for $20.
Now you just gotta like kick it like all much time.
Uh-huh.
You're probably pulling that back out again.
Oh, I imagine.
We should find a grassy knoll.
There's a halfway decent spot up there where you probably put. You might need it.
Yeah.
Just stick up the little pond.
I think it'd be a little bit of a still to fucking luck if that thing will even think about starting. It's good mud fall. Good fucking fall. Where's it going?
I don't know.
Right, left?
That looks like you're gonna fall in.
Yeah, that looks like it's gonna slide and fall in. I go right.
Follow Nick.
It's gonna pull some branches back. It's raining. Let's go, man. He got fucker lessons. Yeah, hill.
Yeah.
Big hill over there. They'll get started, no doubt.
Yeah.
Where's you got that time, bitch?
Where do you want to go?
I don't know.
I'd get over in the grass and wipe off the shit off your boots on your sticks or something. Maybe.
Come up here. Go on up here. Let's go one way or the other. Just get a swing on it. Stick it second and fucking hammer down. See if we can get her cleaned out. Push like a chicken. Hop your ass on there. Mount up.
Yeah.
You need a tall seat foam on there.
Yeah. Exactly what I need.
Yeah, we're gonna get. There you go, folks. What are you doing, fucker?
Put it in second.
Put it in second. Or put it in neutral.
It is in neutral.
Okay, let's go. Do it.
Ah.
Wet sand doesn't make good
You're
texture.
supposed to jump and hop at the same time. We're gonna go a little more. Get back in neutral.
Yeah.
Let's get you going. You tell us when you're ready to pop it.
All right.
We'll push down too.
Hang on.
Let me drop my wrenches. We'll go up to the little tree with the pud puddle there. Ready? Let's go.
Yeah. Ah.
Not 60. What the hell? You like rolled over like a half a time there.
Yeah, I know.
We're good, Hill.
You think that's a good idea?
Oh.
I don't either.
Let's just take turns kicking it.